Long ago, in the quiet village of Tofa, there lived a young man named Obinna and a maiden named Adanna. Their love was pure and deep, the kind that made elders smile and children laugh whenever they saw them together. But Adanna's father was a proud man. He believed love was not enough. "A man must bring wealth and cattle before he wins my daughter," he declared. Obinna, though hardworking, was poor. One night under the moonlight, Adanna whispered, "My heart is yours." No matter what, they made a secret vow. If the world would not let them be together, they would find a way beyond it. Soon pressure grew. Suitors with gold came, and Adanna's father forced her to choose another. On the wedding day, dressed in coral beads and fine cloth, Adanna's eyes searched the crowd for Obinna. He was gone. That night, by the river's edge, Adanna found him. The two held each other and wept. They knew there was no path left for them in Tofa. Legend says they stepped into the deep river, hand in hand, never to return. The villagers searched, but all they found was calm water reflecting the moon. From that day, whenever couples walk by that river, two white doves appear, circling together in the sky. The elders say it is Obinna and Adanna, bound forever, reminding all that true love cannot be chained by pride or wealth. And so, the people of Tofa still tell their children, love is the only treasure that follows us beyond this world.